Okay, we're going to show you how to do a firmware update on the Vueroid D21 4K. First, we're going to show you how to do it on an iPhone. So first things first, we're going to hit the Wi-Fi button.
Wi-Fi is turning on.
So while we're waiting for the Wi-Fi to turn on, we're going to go into settings and go to Wi-Fi on our phone app of the iPhone.
Wi-Fi is on.
Okay, we now have it on our phone on Wi-Fi. We're going to enter in our password, join the network, and open up
Wi-Fi
the app.
is connected.
And you can see clear as day now on the app, it's saying firmware download, Vueroid Dashcam firmware 1.02. Do you want to download? And we're going to hit download. Make sure you have good internet connection or strong 5G when you're doing this. If you have weak cellular signal, this will take a long time to do. As you can see, it said end recording.
System restarts.
It now says firmware download on the app.
Firmware upgrade is in progress. Do not turn off the power.
It's doing the firmware upgrade now. And now it disconnects from the Wi-Fi on the unit.
Dashcam is starting. Loop recording starts.
So now we're going to hit the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi is turning on.
And we're going to go back and pair directly with this unit.
Wi-Fi is on. Wi-Fi is connected.
And you can see and now we're downloading the safety camera update as well.
End recording. Upgrade complete. Loop recording starts.
So as you can see now, we've updated the safety camera data to 2024-03-21 and the firmware all at the same video. The firmware now is version 1.02.